Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Honda Element EX 4-wheel drive. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 157,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.